Ever wondered how to make the perfect Indian Challah Kebab at home? Known for its unique and robust flavors, this Indian cuisine delight is a crowd pleaser at any gathering. The Indian Challah Kebab is more than just a dish. It's a culinary journey packed with taste and tradition. And today, we're embarking on that journey together. I'll be guiding you through a simple and detailed recipe that will bring this iconic dish to your home kitchen. So, brace yourself as we dive into the world of Indian cuisine. The first step towards cooking the perfect Indian Challah Kebab is gathering all the ingredients. We'll start with the star of the show, the meat. We need about half a kilogram of finely minced meat. You can opt for beef or mutton based on your preference. Next, we need a medium-sized onion, finely chopped, along with 2 cloves of crushed garlic for that aromatic punch. A single egg will act as a binder for our kebabs, while 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs will give them a nice, firm texture. Our spice cabinet will provide us with a teaspoon each of cumin powder and coriander powder, adding that essential Indian flavor. If you're a fan of heat, consider adding a teaspoon of cayenne powder. And of course, we mustn't forget salt to taste. Lastly, we'll need some oil for frying our kebabs to golden perfection. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's move on to the preparation. Now that we have all our ingredients, it's time to put them all together. The first step in creating our Indian Challah Kebabs is to mix the ingredients. Grab a large bowl and combine your minced meat, finely chopped onion, crushed garlic, a single egg, breadcrumbs, cumin powder, coriander powder, cayenne powder, and salt. Give everything a good mix until all the ingredients are well incorporated. This forms the base of our kebabs, and it's this mixture that's going to give our kebabs their distinct mouth-watering flavor. After the ingredients are well combined, it's time to shape our kebabs. You can form them into small balls or oval shapes, pressing them slightly to create the perfect kebab form. This is where you can put your personal touch on the dish, so don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Next, we move on to the cooking process. Heat a sufficient amount of oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat. Carefully place your kebabs into the hot oil, turning them gently to ensure even cooking and browning on all sides. You want to achieve that perfect golden color and a crispy crust on the surface. This is what gives our kebabs their irresistible texture. Continue frying the kebabs until they become golden and a crunchy crust forms on the surface. Once the kebabs are well cooked and beautifully browned, remove them from the pan and place them on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. And voila, your Indian Challah Kebabs are ready to be served. You've just created a delicious dish that not only tastes incredible, but also carries the rich and vibrant flavors of Indian cuisine. With each bite, you're getting a taste of the exotic spices that make Indian food so unique and beloved around the world. Remember, cooking is about more than just following a recipe. It's about bringing people together, creating memories, and sharing delicious food. So go ahead, gather your loved ones around the table and enjoy these Indian Challah Kebabs together. After all, good food is all the sweeter when shared with good friends. Now that our delicious Indian Challah Kebab is ready, it's time to serve it. The beauty of this dish is its versatility. You can serve these succulent kebabs as a main course, accompanied by Indian bread or naan. Or if you're in the mood for a hearty soup or a refreshing salad, they make a fantastic addition. But wait, there's more. The Indian Challah Kebab also pairs wonderfully with cooked rice. The kebab's robust flavors meld beautifully with the subtle, earthy tones of the rice. And to top it all off, a dollop of yogurt sauce adds a tangy contrast that elevates the dish to new heights. Let's take a moment to recap the journey of our Indian Challah Kebab. We started with a blend of minced meat, finely chopped onions, mashed garlic, an egg, breadcrumbs, and a medley of spices. We then shaped this mixture into small balls or oval shapes, which we gently fried until a golden, crispy crust formed on the surface. The result is a dish that's not only visually appealing, but also a feast for the palate. Each bite of the kebab offers a burst of flavors, a testament to the richness of Indian cuisine. Enjoy your homemade Indian Challah Kebab. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.